Hi everyone. So for a lot of you that are looking for a new prop firm to trade with and you are new to the 5ers, I'm going to just introduce and just tell you what to expect when you actually come to the 5ers. Now, we are a prop firm that has been around since 2016, one of the first prop firms to actually come out into this new wave of trading. So obviously you had old prop firms that you would go in, sit in an office and trade with other people and trade the capital of the fund. Now we've got this new wave of prop firms that you actually can be anywhere in the world and you can still benefit from all of the different things that prop firms offer. So 2016 we actually came about. Our founder, which is Gil Ben Hur, he actually created the 5ers with the view of getting loads of people so he could trade with them as well, and it kind of evolved into what we actually have now. We have thousands and thousands of different traders. We've paid out millions and millions of dollars in profit shares, and we are growing all the time. Now you can go onto our website, go to the About Us, you can just see all of our pretty faces. You can see, there you go, there's me, there's Gil the founder and Sal the CEO. We have tons of different videos on YouTube for you to learn different types of strategies and different things that can help you in the market as well. So whatever you need, you can find it here with the 5ers. Now, if you are interested in going towards a prop firm challenge and you already want to get started, then you can go on to funding programs and you can pick from all of the different funding programs that we have. The Bootcamp, which is a 3-stage program meant for beginners, just so they can get their foot in the door with proprietary trading. You also have the hyper growth, which is more for experienced traders that already have a little bit more of a track record and they're already profitable. They can just go instantly onto a live account and start profiting all from day one. This challenge actually is there. It's going to be the fastest way to get to the millions. Most of our biggest traders are on the hyper growth programs. Now, high stakes is our new program. It's a 2-step program, the highest leveraged, highest risk, but also one of the highest rewards as well, with the biggest profit splits and also with the largest leverage and bonuses as well for once you actually complete the challenge. So go onto our website, that is the5ers.com. You can go to funding programs, trading resources, go to our about page, go through, read, get to know the team a little bit better, and I'm sure you'll be comfortable with taking the steps to go for one of your trading accounts in the near future. If you ever need anything, you can always reach out to us at help@the5ers.com and we'll be able to answer any questions that you may have regarding any types of technical questions or any types of questions regarding the account that you're going for. Best of luck, traders, and we'll see you soon.